we're gonna mount this one and this. The first thing we're gonna do, take this out and carefully clean it over there. Okay. Yes. Oh. Then get you somewhat closer and get the light more down. Guys, we're gonna mount this one. And this. Hop. Yes. That was actually easy and it's perfectly, I'm absolutely sure that it's perfect. Then, guys, now watch. There is this, yeah, what is it? Slit, no. And there, see, your copper ring goes in. Then we need to, wait a minute, I have a plan. Now we need to push this one. Let's see if I, that's a bit tricky. Let's see, guys, maybe, with a screwdriver, can put it a bit to there, yes, something like this. No. Let's see if there is another way. Okay. You have to, yeah, oh. Yes, yes, yes. Hop, hop, hop. It is a bit tricky. Yes. Yes. Nice. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Then maybe the screwdriver. No, smaller one. I can start it. Yeah. Okay. Then maybe a bigger. This one. Yes. Yes. Going, hopefully it's, yes. Now, this takes an hour or two, 3. Hup. I was made for loving you, baby. I've made it accessible, but not maybe this one. No, and then no. I need this one. Now guys, have a break, coffee. Okay. Oh, once you have the hang of it. Oh. Guys, that spring was absolute at the end of this life. Almost 1 centimeter shorter. Whoa. Hop, 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 hop. Yes, come on, you can do it. Almost. Have a look at my copper washer. Needs, but goes perfectly in place. Of course, I'm in the way with my big hands. Not big. So, and it needs to be torqued with 45 Newton meters. But guys, good luck getting there in between. So I'm gonna give it a good snap. I think up. Click. That's 35. I guess. Okay. Guys, because I have other stuff that I want to do on my bike, but this was my first video about how to change the cam chain tensioner. And as you could see, it was really needy. Guys, if you look carefully, you see that the spring is here pressed together. See? And this is the new spring. Oh, guys, there is a lot of difference. Watch. Whoa, let's measure it. I'm sure that this was the reason why it normally rattles. And it's about, guys, it was, the old one was really, the spring was worn out, almost a centimeter shorter. So that explains the rattle, which wasn't, you didn't hear it, but now it's pushing more to the chain, so I think it's a bit more silent now, which I hope. Well, to be continued.